but it's not holographic. I don't know if that's holographic per se, but I would not say that that is a holographic. Hello friends, it's me again. Just kidding. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm so excited because we're going to test out some holographic nail polish. So keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to wash your hands. I got a request on Twitter for me to test out the holographic nail polish, so I ordered up some of that and we're going to test it out and I'll show you the results. Okay, so here's my box from Holo. Open that up. Holotaco.com. Hello, it's me. Alright, so I got the base coat and I got a couple of colors. So the base coat's here in the white box. And I've got the rainbow snow and also the classic scattered Holotaco top coat. So the first one you do is start off with the base coat. You can see the Holotaco on the top. The packaging for this is really nice. It's got a little holographic tab there too. And it's like a matte soft touch finish on the top. And that's the base coat. So we start off with the base coat. Insert the clip of the base coat here. And let that dry. And then the next layer is going to be rainbow snow. Okay, so do a couple of layers of the rainbow snow and just make the brush wiggle, wiggle, wiggle a little bit to get the glitter off the brush onto the nails. Let that dry. Do a couple of layers of top coat. With each layer of top coat, it seems to get more and more glittery. So I could only paint one hand because painting your other hand yourself is really difficult to do. So as you can see, I've got my nails done here. And this is about 4 days later. They're very sparkly. And they're holding up really well. So there's no chipping or no dents or anything. They're really good. I'm very impressed. Usually I get my nails done at a salon and get gel polish. And sometimes that doesn't even last this long because I'm pretty hard on my nails. Because I absolutely love how this nail polish turned out, I'm actually going to use this nail polish to turn my white phone case into a glitter phone case. Alright, so I just need to set up my table and we'll paint this phone case, turn it into a Holotaco phone case. Okay, so it turns out holographic nail polish is not craft paint. So it didn't really dry and it's still sticky. It's still sticky. It didn't really dry. I think it's because this like pleather case is not the right thing to put nail polish on. It is an amazing polish. Like my nails are so pretty. Ooh, I'm really impressed with it as nail polish. I guess it's not really made to be craft paint, so failed that one. Meanwhile, I did find some holographic makeup. So this is the Urban Decay Disco Stick. So let's try that out and see what that's all about. See if holographic makeup works out a little bit better than my craft idea. So you can see this is the disco stick. The packaging is very holographic. You can see it's like a little tube. I'll just swatch that on the back of my hand here. And I don't think you can even see that. I guess you can kind of see it's very sheer. I wouldn't say holographic. We'll try that on highlighter. I don't know if that's holographic per se. It's very shiny, that's for sure. But not holographic. Nope. Maybe like a duotone, sort of like shimmery shift. But I would not say that that is a holographic anything. Christine would be disappointed. Holo failed it. I mean, it makes a very pretty highlight, but it's not holographic. Alright, so that was testing the holographic disco stick by Urban Decay, and of course the Holo Taco nail polishes by Holo Taco. So make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever used Holo Taco polishes before. They're so pretty. This combination of the Rainbow Snow plus the Holo Taco scattered top coat has given me a really pretty sparkly glittery polish. I'm very impressed. So let me know in the comments if you've ever used Holo Taco before. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss a thing. You can connect with me on Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description down below. And I'll see you next time for another video. Thanks for watching.
Bye. 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 Bye.
I wouldn't say holographic, but it's not holographic. I don't know if that's holographic per se, but I would not say that that is a holographic, but not holographic.